ticket nè, là 7 đồng một cái ticket đi vô coi. Đó. Bây giờ là cabin visit. They leave the card here. Yeah. And then they just pick up a ticket, like you say. And then we go in here to the guest room. Got it.
Normally this hall, all the doors would be closed, and there'd be a curtain across there to get whichever Flavel you were going to see. Now, they weren't here very often. They were often traveling around.
Okay.
And
so the owner's still alive?
Pardon me?
The owner of the house still alive?
The Flavels, yeah, even when they were alive. And they were oftentimes traveling in San Francisco or Asia or Europe.
Okay. I see.
And when they were here, the only day they would see people was Friday.
Oh, okay.
So you had to come on Friday.
We see him. We see them. Oh, okay.
Yeah. And he worked. Did you watch the film up there?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so you know the girls were very musically talented. They could sing and play instruments.
Oh, okay.
This was the music room where they gave all of
I
their
see that.
performances. They had the church choir come in and they'd practice in here. Whenever they had parties, which they had parties all the time, they were in here. This was the only floor that wasn't carpeted because they wanted you to see the parquet. But all the rest of the bottom floor was wall-to-wall carpet.
Okay. See.
So this was their formal parlor, and usually it had sheets over everything because it had their finest furniture, their finest china, their finest everything. And the only time they opened this up was if you were the governor or a minister or some really rich person, famous person. Otherwise, nobody ever got to see this room.
I see.
So I'll just show you a couple rooms here. This is the same music room, but the fireplaces, there's 6 of them inside the house, and they all have a unique, different woodwork around it. And the tile came from all over the world, the tile you see in the different rooms.
Okay.
And then they have a thing called a guitar harp right here, which most people have never seen, but they used to be pretty popular.
That's a different guitar. Yeah. Very good.
And because when they gave the house to the county, the family came in and took everything.
Oh, I see.
Even the chandeliers. I mean, they stripped it.
I see.
But the wood is over here was where they spent their evenings. They closed all the doors to keep the heat in.
Okay.
And then they'd sit here and they'd read books to each other.
Okay.
And read the newspaper to each other, or they'd do their bookwork or write letters or whatever.
So this furniture is not original from them?
The only things that are original and that bookcase.
Oh, okay. So the bookcase.
Now, Mary Flavel, when she married, she was only 14 years old.
I see.
And she actually painted this picture of the flowers right here.
Okay.
So she was a pretty good artist, but we don't know how old she was.
I think I have one similar to that at home.
Like
Don't know
the
when she died.
3D.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah, I
So,
see,
and then the other room over there, they had a tape recorder.
Okay.
So if you see something in every room that doesn't fit,
Okay,
that's why.
that is why. I see.
And it says on that paper.
So that's just what they make, but actually that's not the original one.
Yeah,
I see.
That's why that paper you have tells you in every room
Okay,
what
so
it
this
is.
paper, okay. Thank you.
Right
Okay,
in
so
here.
that is the bathroom.
Very small little room.
So this is the bathroom, it's very small. See, so it's very small. Oh, so this one is just the old time one, right?
Yeah, they did have a pipe that went out there. That's where
So it's automatic go out there, no flushing.
No, it flushed.
It's
yeah.
a flush, but it's go
Yeah.
out. I
Yeah.
see.
Now they're normal size.
Oh, I see.
And you'll go up these stairs and then come down. those
Come
stairs.
down.
And then this was their dining room.
Dining room, yeah.
And normally there was just the 4 of them here. And this was their table.
Okay.
These other tables were just put in because the Historical Society has teas.
Oh, okay.
So they like to have
Tea
more
time,
tables
you
for
see.
more people. Now, this is an original chandelier. It's the only chandelier in the house that's original.
Original, okay. That's
And then
very
this room out here was like a sunroom. It always had plants in it.
Okay, I see
And
couple
it was
plants.
always warm. Whenever the sun came out, that room was nice. But when it was winter time, you could close these doors,
Okay.
and they had these glass
You
mirrors,
can
so you
see.
could always look out to the sun and see the
Okay,
plants.
that's very nice. Thank you.
It's all fruit.
Okay, I I see.
And to make.
But this is original, right?
Yeah.
The firewood and everything is the original. Okay, and the tie also the original.
Yes.
That's very nice. And this is just metal, or this is tile also.
Tile, yeah. So cherry wood and different kinds of wood.
I can tell this wood is just
And the
cannot
same
find.
with the door here. You think, wow, they've got all this expensive stuff in here. But it's really just Douglas fir that they've stained different colors to make it look like other wood.
Okay.
But this one was on the servant side.
Okay.
So they didn't care if the servants had nice looking
I
wood.
see.
They just,
One is just fun.
and if you stand right about here and look up, you can see that archway goes all the way up to the attic.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Where they had a 10-foot tall attic and a 10-foot tall basement. So,
We have the basement down here.
Wow.
So
So
that's
this
the
is for
kitchen.
the sink.
these are the stairs up. Yeah, this was a wood stove, and it used to have a water tank that ran through there, so they would
okay.
have hot water
I see.
for a shower.
It's still working or no? Actually, it's just
No,
for
that's
display.
that's not even the original one.
Oh, so the not original one.
Yeah,
So this
but
is
it's
one
from that
made
same time.
same time. Okay.
Yeah.
I thought it's original one. Okay. Thank you, thank you. Có người vô nữa đó. Coi nữa đó không? Đây là những cái đồ mà họ làm, có những cái không có original nha. Họ chỉ làm lại thôi. Nhìn giống như vậy thôi. Mà original đã bị lấy đi rồi. Cái người mà họ own cái này đó, họ donate cho chính phủ á, thì họ đã lấy đi rồi. Cái bếp này là không phải original, nhưng mà cái bếp này là nó nhìn như hồi trước đó, là họ làm là giống cái bếp này luôn. Nhìn rất là cũ ha. Wow. Dạ, phải chở riêng, phải đi cái cầu thang riêng. Mà gỗ của nó không có sơn, mà gỗ của họ ở thì sơn.
Việt Nam bây giờ cái tủ lạnh từ nha.
Dạ.
Nó bắt đầu nó làm nhà mà họ hút theo kiểu ngày xưa mà vậy.
Dạ, vâng.
Không nhà nó cả gỗ tường giống
Đúng. Không phải như Việt Nam mình, tại giờ mấy cái gỗ nó nhiều, làm được. Dạ, nó khắc đẹp. Đây, thì là tự mình lên ha, coi. Cái này là chắc phòng ngủ đây, một trong những cái số phòng ngủ của họ. Đó, cái này là cái walk-in closet của họ này, nhưng mà họ để như vậy. Rồi họ bỏ cái kiến không cho mình vô. Thật ra mình vô được. Những cái lát kết hồi xưa nè nha. Nhìn thấy nó giống như cái hộp thôi. Với ngồi thoải mái trên cái fireplace có. Họ nói mấy cái thai nhỏ này nha, họ order từ nước ngoài nha, để họ làm. Em nói ở đâu mình quên rồi, nhưng mà đó. Thì bây giờ là mình mua ở thằng Floor Deco là có liền. Giống nhau luôn. Đây là một cái piano, hay là cái tủ dresser của họ. Từ tủ dresser là để quần áo ha. Cái giường, cái gỗ này là tốt lắm nè. Nhưng mà cái này chắc không phải original, ông nói là hầu như họ lấy đi hết. Xong rồi qua đây là có một cái phòng ngủ ha. Hay không? Là có thể một phòng ngủ, hai phòng ngủ nha. Cái chỗ này có một cái ghế ngồi ở đây, lý tưởng chị Lan ơi. Mình design ra cái nhà mình lại vậy đi nha. Mình có một cái chỗ ngồi đây nè, tối vợ chồng ra đây, nhưng mà mình phải trẻ trung lại, chứ bây giờ mình trẻ trung lại không có thì giờ ngồi đâu.
Nghĩa là cái ông này cũng là chủ nhà nữa đó.
Mary Christine Flavel Bed Chamber. Đây chắc là hình hai vợ chồng đây. Làm đây là US Navy. Captain Flavel died of pneumonia. Ông chết hồi lúc July 3. July là tháng 7 ngày mùng 3 năm 1893. Là ông bị cái sức khỏe của ông, còn vợ ông cho con ông là on the way home from New York after hearing the news of, là của người ba ha. Ok. Ông là 69 tuổi là ông mất rồi. Wow. Bát thấp nha. Cái bồn tắm đó, nhìn thấy nhỏ xíu không? Vậy là con người mình hồi xưa đó nhỏ nha. Con người này nhỏ trong lớn, nhìn cái bát thấp của họ nè. Làm nè. Cửa sổ. Cái chỗ này là chỗ cabinet work for Kristen and Bao closet. Cái này là cái chỗ đi tiêu. Tiêu nè. Mở lên ngồi đây tiêu nè, chị thấy không? Bây giờ mình mở không được. Xin lỗi nha, mở không được. Còn cái này là cái chỗ sink rửa mặt ha. Đấy, đây là cái bathroom hồi xưa đó. Bây giờ mà nhà mình có được cái bathroom này là triệu phú đó nha. Vậy servant ở đâu ta? Nó cho người servant ở đâu? Phòng này là phòng con nít ha. Ồ, còn một tầng nữa như cái chị ơi, phải lên tầng nữa đó. Coi mấy giờ rồi? Mình phải đi về trả 7 đồng vô tới đây ngưng rồi. Xuống lấy lại 3,50. Ở đây nó cũng có một cái chỗ ngồi để nè ha. Đây là cái phòng khách của họ này. Được vô tiếp đó là được ngồi chỗ đó. Chỗ đó là chỗ nhạc, họ chơi nhạc thôi.